My name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video series, I'm working through some of the frequently asked questions that I get surrounding some math topics. So let's take a look here. We have a college that has 60 students that are enrolled in chemistry, 40 in physics, 30 in biology. But then we have 15 of those students are in chemistry and physics. 10 are in physics and biology, and 5 are in biology and chemistry, but no one is enrolled in all three. So we're going to use the diagram to the right here. It's called a Venn diagram, or sometimes called an Euler's diagram. And let's just kind of point out some of the regions that we have here. So the blue region, the capital C region, that's going to be our chemistry. So we'll put chemistry over here. But I want you to notice specifically in this region that little c are the people who only take chemistry, while the X, Y, and Z, those are people who take more than one. Okay. Let's take a look at the next region, which would be the A region. Now we'll let this one be the physics. So again, little a is going to be the students who are only taking physics, while W, Y, Z are students who are taking more than one. All right. And finally, we have the B region. Of course, we'll let that one be biology. And just like before, little b are the students who are only taking biology here. Now, I want you to focus in on the area with the Z here. Those are the people that are taking all three. And remember, we were told there were no students taking all three. So we know this region has 0 students in it. All right, let's focus then on the students who are taking more than one. So we're going to focus in on the 15 students who take chemistry and physics. So that is A and C. So the people who are taking both of those, notice region Y is in circle A, but it's also in circle C. So those are our 15 people taking physics and chemistry. Next, let's do the 10 taking physics and biology. So that's going to be circle A and circle B. So where do those overlap? That's in W. And there are 10 taking that. And then finally, we have 5 in biology and chemistry. So that's going to be circle B and circle C. And that overlap region is going to be region X. All right. Now, I want you to focus back on the circle C. So you see circle C here. And we know that in chemistry, there were 60 students total. Okay. But we know 15 of those are taking chemistry and physics. So we'll subtract that. And we know 5 are taking chemistry and biology. So we'll subtract that. So we know that only 40 students are taking just chemistry. All right. Let's do the same for physics. Physics, we were told there were 40 in physics. But we know 10 are in physics and biology. And we know 15 are in physics and chemistry. So we're left with 15 students here in just physics. And then finally, we do the same with the biology. We were told there were 30 in biology. But we know there are 10 taking physics and biology. And there are 5 taking chemistry and biology. So that gives me 15 students just taking just biology. So the question is, find out how many students are enrolled in at least one subject. So at least one subject. That's just going to be your sum of all of them. So you're just going to add up all of the regions here. And when you add those up, I think you get 100. Check me on that. But I hope this helps you break down this Venn diagram. The focus is work from the center, start with the students who are in all three, then work through the students who have more than one. So there's in 2 regions. And then you can work on the regions that are only one subject area.